Hello, this is Hallie with Handmade by Hallie. Welcome to my page. Today I have a simple project with these ceramic pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I have them in a variety of colors. You will also need some ribbon, some jewels, some jute, burlap if you want it, some adhesive pearls, also from the Dollar Tree, scissors, and hot glue gun. First thing I'm going to do is cut these pearls and the gold like pearls into individual strips in preparation for putting onto these pumpkins. This is a fairly easy process. I just used my scissors to do this. Set 1 is going to be a rustic pumpkin set. So I'm taking this ribbon and I'm putting a dot of glue at the top, wrapping it around, and a piece of glue at the other end. Then I also used some jute to go in between in the grooves of the pumpkin. And this came out to be looking really cute. If you are liking this project, please hit that subscribe button. This way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Being that it's getting to be craft show season, I'm ramping up for craft shows and I'm going to be posting a lot more videos. Here I'm taking a cream ribbon and making a little bow, then taking the ribbon that we put on the pumpkin and repeating that process. Then I'm taking the jute and making a small bow, wrapping a piece of jute around there, and then I glue that on top and trim the tails. Here is the second pumpkin in this set of 2 rustic pumpkins, and I repeat the same process with putting the ribbon on, adding a dot of glue at each end, and repeat the same process with the jute, being careful not to cover that cute little green leaf. Then I wrap some of the jute around the bottom of the stem, right on top of where the ribbon and jute sits, just to cover that up a little bit. Then I'm going to make a little bow out of this cream ribbon and some jute because I ran out of the other ribbon, so this just has these 2. And I use a piece of jute to wrap around that bow just to hold it together securely. Add some glue on the back of that little bow and attach it to the pumpkin. Then I make sure to cut the tails, and then here's this set all done. Here's a set of Glitzy pumpkins. I'm going to show you how to do these. For these, I'm going to use those pearl and the gold beads that I previously cut. And when you're pulling these off the backing, make sure that you get the sticky glue part. There is one set that I think the first set I put on there, I didn't have the sticky backing and I had to use a little glue. But it's pretty easy to put these on. They do have glue on the back of them, but it does just kind of disappear as you press that onto the pumpkin. Then for these, I make a little bow and use a piece of pipe cleaner. And then that one's done. So I just repeat the same process, and both of these I did about every other one of the pearls, and then in between I put the gold kind of rhinestone looking pieces, and I think they came out looking pretty cute. This one will also get a little bow out of the same ribbon, making these kind of the glitzy glam looking pumpkins. Just perfect for any counter, for a tiered tray. Here we have set 3 that I'm calling BoHo. So this is a combination of the pearls that I do about every other indentation, and then in between the pearls I do the jute. Now the pearls I do cut off at the bottom of the pumpkin, but the jute I go ahead and wrap around and then make a little bow. I used the ribbon I used on the Glitz and Glam, then I put the jute on there and made this bow a combination of the Glam and Rustic, so it's in between. And I repeat the same thing, making sure to get the glue when you pull it off the backing, cutting off at the bottom, and then putting the jute in between. Overall, I'm really pleased with how these turned out. So here they are. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. They'll be coming pretty quick.